Welcome to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. If you like this watch and would like to purchase it at the lowest price anywhere online, click on the link in the description below to buy it at JazzTime.com. Today, I'm going to be reviewing the Rolex Datejust 31 in white gold, reference 278289 with a diamond bezel and blue Roman dial and a president bracelet. I will tell you a little bit about the history of the Datejust, then tell you about where this watch stands in the lineup of other similar Datejust, then finally tell you about the case bezel dial bracelet movement and kind of put it against my wrist, try it on, and let you know what I think about this watch. So let's start with the history. The Datejust has been around for a really long time. I want to say 70, 80 years or so. And it's Rolex's most popular, most numerous. They make the most number of variations. And it's probably the most sought after and also the most iconic watch that Rolex makes. Why? Well, because the Datejust is their staple. It's their main watch. It's the E series of their watches per se. It's their bread and butter, really. They make sports watches, they make other watches, they even make dress watches, but the Datejust, wow, that watch stands alone. So as you can imagine, they make it in almost every variation you can imagine. Size 28, 31, 36 for women, millimeters, 36, 41 for men. That's small, medium, large for women, medium and large for men. This one is a 31. So let's talk about where does this watch stand in the lineup of other similar Datejust. Well, the Datejust, this is a mid-size, so size 31. They make it, as I said, 28 and 31, 36. 31 is mid-size. It's good for women who have a wrist size of 5.5 to 6.5 inches, and they make it in every variation you can imagine, from the cheapest with just steel, that's just less than $10,000, to steel in gold, steel in white gold, steel in yellow gold, steel in rose gold. Then they make it in rose gold, yellow gold, white gold. The one that you're looking at here is in white gold. The way that you know that is made in precious metal. They only put the president bracelet on this type of when they only put the president bracelet on when the watch is made of precious metal. That's how you can tell. And the bracelet that you are looking at is the president bracelet. Okay, now where does this watch stand in the lineup? Well, this is at the very top of it. This is pretty much the most expensive Datejust that you can get. It is precious metal, and it has diamonds on it. So that's pretty much as precious as it can get. You can get a little bit more fancy by putting diamonds on the dial, but some people think that's a little too much bling. So as it sits in this variation, it's the top of the line, the best that you can get, okay? And of course, you can get it in different materials if you want more flashy. White gold, of course, is a little bit more subdued, but it's still very fancy. Okay. Let's start talking about the watch itself, starting with the case. Now, the case is a 31 millimeter case from my thumb to my index finger. That's a mid-size, excellent size. On the height-wise is around 11 millimeters. It's a very nice thickness as well, and it's all made of white gold. Now, white gold is it's actually yellow gold that they add a bunch of stuff to it to make it white. I think it's like rhodium and some other things to make it white, and there you have it. It becomes white gold. Now, let's move on to the bezel. The bezel, normally on a Datejust is a fluted bezel, but in this case it is a diamond bezel. Now, Rolex is only choosing the absolute best diamonds, and they are placing them precisely with the alignment so that the height of the gem, the orientation, and the position, as well as the regularity, strength, and proportion of the setting is so done perfectly that the watch looks like it's glistening in light at all times. And if you look at this bezel, it really is a work of art. In fact, Rolex calls it a sparkling symphony to enhance the watch and enchant the wearer. And definitely it does that enchanting. When you look at this watch with this diamond bezel, you can realize that, hey, this watch was made from precious metals of the earth, be it gold and diamonds. You cannot get more precious than gold and diamonds. And all of that is on your wrist. Okay, anyways, that is the bezel. Let's move on to the dial. Now, the dial, you can buy this watch in many different variations. This one happens to be in blue Roman. They make it pink diamond and a bunch of other variations. The dial color is not that big of a deal. If you want it on a different dial, you like this watch, but you're like, hey, I want it on a black or gray or whatever it is, check out our website. You can buy it there at jazztime.com. Okay, this one happens to be blue Roman. What is special about blue Roman? Well, first of all, it's Roman numerals, which looks a little bit more fancy, but the thing is you can't read it at night. It doesn't have luminescent. And the hour markers are fashioned in white gold, not just like metal. So as to be expected from a very high-end, prestigious watch brand as Rolex, that makes sense. Okay, now let's move on to the bracelet. The bracelet here is a president bracelet. They don't make it in any other. Actually, I take it back. I think they also made it in Jubilee. I'm not sure they do that anymore. They might, but the President bracelet is a much superior bracelet. It's 3 semicircular links across, and it's an iconic looking bracelet. It does not have any comfort extension, however, but I'm not sure that you really need it, considering that the watch size of this is not really that big to begin with. Okay, let's move on to the movement. The movement is also an upgraded from the previous generation. It's a 2236. It has a power reserve of 55 hours, and you can't really see it anyway, but just suffice it to say it's really good. Okay, try this watch on my wrist. Now, I'm obviously a man. This watch definitely is for a woman, not a man. Now, if you like this watch and would like to buy it, please click on the link in the description below. I think the Datejust is perfect, and I just think it's in this configuration in white gold, it's very, very luxurious, but still understated. So I'm definitely going to give it 2 thumbs up, and if you want to buy it, please go to jazztime.com.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.